So why can you not text Android users on the iPhone? Well, let's explain that before we get started. Make sure you are subscribed to this channel so you never miss anything important. But it's not like you cannot text them, right? You can, but only using the regular carrier-based text messages. These are the green bubbles which you pay for at your carrier, right? And there are also the blue messages, which are iMessage in between Apple devices. The blue messages are only for, as I said, Apple users, and this doesn't work with Androids, right? So you can only text with iPads and iPhones of other people, but not on the Androids. So if you want to, you then need to type their number into the messages, and you can send a message normally, but you need to have a SIM card and a data plan, cellular connection, SIM card working in your phone in order to send them the message. So you can, but it only works through the, as I said, green messages. Yes, technically you can also text Android users through RCS, which has been implemented to the iPhones, and it also is on Androids, which is over the internet texting, but you might as well just use some Messenger or WhatsApp for that if you really care, right? So a lot of people just use WhatsApp and text anybody. So this was just a quick explanation from me. Let me know what you think below. Well, definitely subscribe, and I'll catch you later in the next tutorials.